Good afternoon, everyone. Day 2 in Tehran, and this is actually the third attraction of the day. First one was the National Museum of Tehran. We went there and I was doing videography, and the security staff inside the museum told me not to do so. He said that it's only allowed for visitors to take photos but cannot do the videography. And after that went to Grand Bazaar. I made a very short clips there that I will try to add in the video later on. And this is one of the main attractions of the city. It's called the Milad Tower, and the second famous tower is called Azadi Tower, the Freedom Tower. So they said that if you go onto the top of this tower, you can get the view of the tower as well. So here I am. Look tired. 2 days are not enough to see this city. You have to keep at least 4 to 5 days because it's chaotic, it's so busy, and it's a very big city. 17 million people are living here, so it's impossible to cover everything. And in my case, I didn't even get 2 full days. Yesterday I reached, and from late afternoon I started to do the sightseeing. So yeah, plan accordingly. Just try to give more days to the capital, and yeah, to Isfahan, and then Shiraz, or to other Masad or Tabriz. There you can stay for 2 days because the cities are small and it's very easy to move from one place to another. So I'll try to go now. Time is less. It's already close to 3 p.m. and this site will close at 5. So I have to hurry up, and after this we'll go to another place. There is actually that's a palace. It's called Sadaman, something like that. I do not know how to pronounce it properly. So that will be the next attraction, and then there's a mosque beside that, and if time permits I might go to the mountains area also. Again, I forgot the name of that area, but they say that it's good. You get the good view from the top, and that is it. And then tonight we'll leave for Isfahan city.